probably thinking if you went over there and kind of got a low shot of it coming up there a little bit and try and work it up a little bit. Not going to be much to video.
No. You could always go through the drainage ditch though.
Hmm?
You could always go through the drainage ditch down there, the old crossing.
No.
You don't want to try that, huh?
Well, you don't want to get caught doing that.
Oh. Holy shit, Troy's getting old.
It's called a DNR.
Yeah, they ain't flying their planes around right now. Fuck the DNR.
You can fuck the DNR right now.
Give me half a chance. They sure like to try.
Something.
Yeah, I kind of noticed how the front wheels were spinning, the back wasn't. You twisted a drive shaft, didn't you?
Oh, I shattered a U-joint.
Oh.
Shit.
Haha.
See it laying down there in the mud anywhere?
Huh. No. That's what you get for buying those cheap goddamn U-joints. Buy the good ones.